I have an interesting new product I want to show you today. Alright, this is a live unboxing. I have not opened this before. Let's see what we got. Nice little color instruction sheet. USB interface selection instructions. It's double-sided adhesive tape. Here's the actual thing right here. USB type power cord connection on one end and a USB-C connection on the other end. A nice long amount of cord, which would reach all the way to the back window of your car if you needed it to. And a nice on and off rocker switch, which feels very tight and well built from the feel of it anyway. USB-C connection port coming out from the side of it, along with a function button. Shake it out of its little envelope here. And here it is. A very soft, adhesive type rubber feel to it. Feels like one of those creepy crawler things or one of those removable window stickers. And the back side is basically just flat, hard plastic. It's sticking very well to the glass without any tape. I've hooked it up using a power adapter along with the USB cord that came with it. And we plugged the USB cord into the power cord. And we're ready to fire it up and see what it looks like with the power. I also have to download an app to be able to program it. So here we go, power on. Oh look. Thanks for your order. Isn't that cool? Multiple colors rolling around. It literally took me 2 minutes to set this up. It wasn't hard at all. The app automatically pairs to your Bluetooth on your phone. You don't need to do anything. And I typed in the word Lyft and picked the color for it. Set the speed of the rotation. That's the slowest scrolling speed they have right there. You can also outline the letters, make it blink, flash, pulse. There's all kinds of different things you can do with the letters. I like this a lot. This is pretty darn cool. For the price, it'll be fun to play with. And I can change it for other delivery apps that I use too. There you go for when I'm doing my Walmart deliveries. And here's another service that I deliver for. DoorDash. I can see all kinds of uses for this. What do you think? I got this from Amazon. It was $21.99 on special sale right now. And for a limited time, they're offering an additional 10% off coupon. When you click on it, it'll come out to less than 20 bucks altogether. It was delivered in 2 days from Amazon. There'll be a link in the description of the video to purchase this item. And seriously though, thanks for watching. Have a great day and bye for now.